Welcome to The High Level Man. What do we talk about here on this channel? All things hair systems, all things toupees, all things that apply to you getting your hair back on your head. I was bald for many years and always disliked that, but I discovered the whole world of hair systems, and my point here today is to help you navigate the waters of getting hair on your head. You will learn from my mistakes and you will celebrate my successes as you look in the mirror and realize that you have been able to back the clock up 10, 15 years as I have. It can happen for you, and I'm here to be your guide to make sure that it does and that it goes smoothly. So please subscribe to this channel and let's do this together, shall we?